Kerala, the land of greenery, is rich in folk culture, visual arts and festivals. Theyyam or Theyyatam is a popular ritual dance of North Kerala, particularly found in the traditional Kolattanadu of the present Kannur and Kasaragod districts. The origin of the term Theyyam can be traced back to the word Devam, which means God. This art form is a rare blend of dance, music and traditional rituals, and it reflects the folk culture. Extremely ancient traits originated during primitive settlements can be observed in Theyyam. The worship of Mother Goddess, a continuation of primitive tribal custom, has an important place in Theyyam. This art form belonged to the downtrodden and depressed classes, whereas the temple-oriented culture belonged to the dominant caste and classes. It is usually performed by artists belonging to indigenous communities like Vannan, Malayan, Velan, Mavilan, Pulayan and Kuppalan. Theyyam is performed in front of small shrines dedicated to a particular goddess. Such cult centers are known as Sthanam, Ara, Mundya, Kotam, Kava and Karagam. The performance of a particular deity continues for 12 to 24 hours with intervals according to its significance and hierarchy in the shrine. First part of the performance is known as Vellatam or Totem. It is believed that as these rituals are performed, the presence of the deity is invoked in the body of the artist. After finishing the primary ritualistic part of invocation, the dancer withdraws to the green room. Makeup and body decorations are done by skilled artists. Tender coconut leaves, flowers and red clothes are used in plenty. A perfect expertise in primary and secondary colors can be observed in these decorations. The costumes and facial paintings vary for different types of Theyyams. Arachnut trunk, silk, etc. are used for preparing headgear. After doing makeup, the performer appears in front of the shrine and it is believed that he gradually metamorphosizes as the particular deity he represents. The whole performance is accompanied by folk musical instruments like chenda, tudi, ilathalam, veeku and kural. The dance has different steps known as kalashams. Each kalasham is repeated systematically from 1 to 8 system of footwork. The ritualistic dance include special kind of rhythmic movements like dancing in the courtyard, circumambulating the shrine, etc. The dancing style also vary among different Theyyams. It needs great expertise to perform in such costumes and heavy headgear. All deities have weapons like sword and shield or bow and arrow in their hands. This can be observed as a continuation of the primitive tradition of weapon worship. The performer throws rice at the audience and distributes turmeric powder and flowers as a symbol of blessing. Theyyam is associated with fire dance. Depending on their myth, different kinds of Theyyams perform tasks like jumping on the fire bed, dancing with torches in hand, walking over burning coal, sitting on it and dancing with fire torches attached to the body. These types of Theyyams are usually performed at late night or early morning. In the dark background, the performance of dancers in firelight present a mystifying experience. The cult of Theyyam is a way of recording the local historical developments and events. The myths and legends of Theyyam deities are often related to local heroes and heroines. For example, it is believed that the heroic warrior Mangattu Mandappan later became the deity Kathivannur Veeran. Guligin is identified with God Shiva. The story relates to the tradition that the great Indian philosopher Shankara was questioned by a Pulaya for observing social formalities of caste system. Vishnumurti is believed to be the reincarnation of Vishnu in the form of Narasimha, who killed the demon king Hiranyakashipu. There are 18 different variations of Kurti Theyyam like Malan Kurti, Pulli Kurti, Kunjan Kurti and Vadakan Kurti. This deity is identified with goddess Parvati. Worship of animals is another primitive trait predominant in Theyyam. Puliyur Kali is one such deity incorporating worship of tiger. The myth is associated with Shiva and Parvati. Theyyam is an art form of the mass. As a religious and social institution, it has significant place in the cultural history of Kerala.